I hope you have a good Christmas with your family and your friends and everyone. Um, Today's we're going to do a pajama run. Nakapajama lang
My
si Bossing.
pajama.
We're going to In and Out Burger. Na-miss na rin namin kasi yung burger sa In and Out eh. So, samahan niyo kami and then salamat din sa mga 51 subscriber na kami ngayon. 51. 51. So, happy na kami na nagkaroon na kami ng mga subscriber at uh, may napasaya na rin kami at least sa video namin. A very
51.
raw vlog, you know. So, salamat sa inyong lahat na nanonood sa amin. I hope you keep on coming back watching our video. Thank you so much.
So
And
funny.
then, let's go. Thank you for watching and click that button, subscribe and like and follow and
And
share our
share.
video. Thank you. See you. So we're in Fashion Island Boulevard and papasok lang tayo ng 101 South towards San Jose. It's kind of like cloudy or
Gloomy.
gloomy.
Very cold today.
Not very cold. It's like 65 degrees Fahrenheit.
65?
Yeah,
Really? This is 65?
yeah, 65 degrees
Thought
Fahrenheit.
it's cold.
It's a nice weather. Tama-tama lang. Yung pang jacket lang na weather ba. So this is 101 South.
What's our exit?
I forgot.
Holly?
Holly, I think.
We know how to get there,
But yeah.
but not sure of the streets.
So we'll just stay on the first lane because
Oh,
we'll take the exit like 2.5 miles. That's Holly Street. A lot of Holly Street.
Holly?
I think it's Holly Street.
What did I say? Holly gani.
Oh, Holly. Oh, I'm sorry.
Naunta ko yung story pero bas hindi pwede sa video.
Yeah. Copyright yata.
No, it's a personal story.
Oh, okay. You don't
How
say it
can
there.
it be copyright? It's my story.
So everybody's done with Christmas Day, and then we're looking for the New Year's.
New Year, we're gonna have shabu-shabu,
Yeah, we're planning to
Yeah.
have shabu shabu,
okonomiyaki,
okonomiyaki,
biko, and hot chocolate.
and hot chocolate.
That's it?
Yeah,
You know what? It's so nice in the camera. It's so nice.
that's good. The freeway is not that busy anymore because I think.
People are in their pajamas at home.
Oh yes, you
Like
are.
me. Like me.
Uh-huh.
There. Mile and a quarter.
Uh-huh. It's kind of lazy day for us.
But you hired me to be your
Oh,
videographer.
thank you, my wife, for being there always, my camera girl. Shout out to all the wives that
Palpak.
very supportive to their husbands.
Many palpak videos na. Oy, wala mo na yung video.
Oh.
Sorry. Ay,
Yeah.
nako. Uy,
Powerball, Lotto,
145
105 million, Mega, 20 million.
should we buy that
Ah.
$20? That $10? Bayad ni
And we have
Vijaya.
to stop by gasoline station.
But I'm in my pajamas. I can't go out.
It can go on. Yeah. So this is our exit, Holly Street. It's in San Carlos City,
City of San Carlos.
city of San Carlos.
Oh my, I need coffee.
Speaking of San Carlos, shout out to the Carolinians out there.
Lainag segue, but yeah, it's true. We're Carolinian.
Shout out to all the Carolinians. Main campus and Talamban campus. Shout out.
We love katuning kaning parking lot nga gibuild.
Yeah,
It's
it used to
done.
be a parking lot, and now it's an office, I think.
But it was like bare before, just the haligi.
I know, huh?
Now it has everything.
Yes, this is our In-N-Out burger. Yeah, the famous one in California. So we have a friend from East Coast, right? Where is it? Tennessee?
Tennessee. That's not East Coast. That means Midwest. Midwest. Down the south. Down south.
His wife asked her to bring back
Him.
In-N-Out burger. How many is it?
A box.
A box, right? Yeah. This is
A small box
one.
na.
In-N-Out burger.
This is the burger of the North Bay.
So, and we're doing this vlog also for ourselves. Like when we get old, it's easy to access all the videos that we have rather than those on the computer.
Love, don't buy soda, huh?
No, I won't.
What are you buying?
Juice.
What one's
Do you
with
have pineapple
juice?
juice there?
Oh,
No, I'll just get water then.
This is American. Water. We have water.
Yeah. While waiting, let's talk about 2024.
2024, you mean?
Yeah.
No.
It's ending.
That was a
soon.
tough year especially for me.
Yeah.
Okay. My favorite nephew got sick.
It was like a surprise to us that
Yeah.
he has a kidney problem. Now he's on dialysis and
busted kidneys.
yeah, stage 5, right?
Busted.
And then he's too young, like 30, what, 35?
35.
Too young.
Maybe, yeah,
but he has to move on, live his own life.
So I'm trying to help him reach our dream. Our dream was for him to be rich so that he can take care of my coffee when I'm old and gray.
Now he told you last time that he can only afford the Nescafe.
You can only afford three in one. No,
good.
I don't drink 3 in 1. No.
You'll get used to it.
No, I don't like it. Gives me a headache. No caffeine, all sugar. I love. Oh no.
I love my shirt. I printed this one. Basta Bisdak, League on. Shout out sa mga Bisdak dyan.
May I see number 2, please?
Alright, would you like that with onions?
Yes, please.
Alright, and what would you like for the drinks?
Only one drink. Strawberry milkshake.
Oh, strawberry shake, right
Yes.
on.
Yeah.
And then can you make one of the fries well done?
For sure.
And then 2 separate boxes, please.
2 separate boxes, you said?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have bottled water?
We don't have bottled water, but we do have water.
Can we get
one
water?
Alright, and which where did you want the fry well done? In which box?
In the
one with the cheese, the
one with the milkshake. It doesn't run. It's the same, yeah.
Yeah, we'll notice it.
We'll share the shake anyway, so it's okay.
Alright, so it's gonna be a cheeseburger with 2 cheeseburgers with onions, and then 2 fries, and one of them is well done. Both of those are in separate boxes, and then a strawberry shake and a water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, and will you guys be eating this in the cart today?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, and did you guys want the lids on those boxes or no?
No lids.
Alright, so it's going to be $17.88. First window, please.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Doing great, thank you. So the first bag, I got a cheeseburger with onion and a fry. And then in another bag, I got a cheeseburger with onion and a fried well.
Yes.
And then I got a strawberry shake and water.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.
That'll be $17.88.
Yes, how are you?
Would you like any ketchup today?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Lots of ketchup, please.
I'll get that one. That's fine. It's okay. We're good. We're good. What about the water and the drinks?
I'm sorry?
Water and drinks?
Yes. So
Okay.
water and strawberry.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at that. Yum, yum.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You can't larga yet. Malagpot na.
Slow. I'll just go to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Wow, In-N-Out Burger! Woot woot!
Look at him. He can't do that. It will look bad when we are in the freeway. Give it to me. No one's behind you. So it's fine.
Okay. Take care of our burgers. my
Then I
love.
cannot take care of the camera.
It's a burger. Thank you, Lord. Look at the burger.
Where? Unsay ruta pa uli?
San Francisco 101 North. San Francisco.
Ang kanading first dito kay South na. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's San Jose.
Tapos police na.
Where?
Na dito sa likod. Police na.
No. So we're done with the In-N-Out Burger drive-thru, and then we're going home.
I'm gonna show off my pajama. Christmas pajama number 3.
We call it a pajama run in In-N-Out Burger. Let's go.
Nakaitapad.
So we're taking the 101 North going San Francisco.
Pero like 3 exits. Amo na.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh.
San Francisco North.
Dagum kayo. Maybe it will rain later.
Yeah.
Ang forecast kay throughout the day man to, pero waman.
He's not giving me. Shout out, bro.
Shout out, bro. Happy New Year. Ano lang gid siya nag-WhatsApp behind you?
In the Philippines, they call it kamote driver.
Really? There's such a thing?
Yeah.
Here goes nothing. Nindot na kay. This is northbound.
Northbound.
Ganiha southbound. There's a plane there, oh. Landing sa may gamay nga airport.
Naikon din na diha lalabo.
The camera?
Yeah.
Ambot mo siya na. Software?
Probably the software because we're in Silicon Valley.
Oh, there's the kuan. Let's see kung makuha ba. Oracle! There you go. Maybe makitaan.
Oracle is a hardware, huh?
No. Oy! Database!
Database na sila. Okay.
Hmm.
Sorry, Oracle.
There
Database
ay.
pala. Ako na kuha ng Oracle kay sa kuha man,
Matrix.
Matrix. Mr. Anderson.
Si Keanu Reeves ba? Kay mura pog Taylor Swift. Si Taylor Swift, the Mara po Keanu Reeves, manghatag yun sa ilang crew.
Yeah,
They're so good to their crew. That's why panangga kay sila sa ilang crew.
I know. So, dito na lang kami magtatapos. We're going exit Hillsdale Boulevard, going home. And then, thank you very much for watching our video. I hope you have a good day, because we're having a good day. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you, content creator.